Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today join me as I explore the divine town of Vrindavan, a place where every corner whispers the love of Radha and Krishna. Radhe Radhe. The easiest way to reach Vrindavan is by train, so I hopped on one from Nizamuddin station in Delhi to Mathura. From there, I grabbed an auto and headed straight to the iconic Baki Bihari temple. To reach the temple, you'll need to walk a bit, but trust me, it's a walk you'll enjoy. Along the way, the bustling marketplace greets you with the vibrant ghagras, mesmerizing idols, and the irresistible aroma of the famous Mathura ke pede. It's a feast for the senses before you even reach the temple. Our first stop, famous Bake Bihari temple. The energy here is absolutely electrifying. कहा जाता है कि बिहारी जी के दर्शन इतना मनमोहक है कि पर्दा हर कुछ सेकंड में डाला जाता है ताकि भक्त उन पर मोहित ना हो जाए. And I can see why they say that. Next, we visited the beautiful Radha Vallabh Mandir, one of the oldest temples dedicated to the eternal love of Radha and Krishna. मंदिर के मुख्य देवता कृष्ण हैं, जिनकी पूजा श्री राधा वल्लभ के नाम से की जाती है, जिसका अर्थ है राधा का पति. कृष्ण के साथ एक मुकुट रखा गया है जो देवी राधा की उपस्थिति का प्रतीक है. यहाँ राधा रानी की मूर्ति नहीं, बल्कि उनकी अनुपस्थिति में भी उनकी उपस्थिति को महसूस किया जाता है. A beautiful symbol of unconditional love. Summer travel isn't always kind to my skin. The heat really gets to me, but for Vrindavan, I'll do it all over again. One fascinating thing I learned, many temples here, including the iconic Prem Mandir and Baki Bihari temple, closes daily from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. It's not just a break for the visitors, it's a sacred pause. During this time, the deities are offered food, the temple is clean, and they are allowed to rest before the evening rituals begin again. Hari Bhakti Vilas, a revered scripture, even highlights the importance of these moments of divine rest alongside offerings, bathing, and aarti. As for me, I used this midday lull to find an affordable room in a quiet ashram near Baki Bihari temple, a perfect retreat to recharge before heading out again, this time towards the glowing beauty of Prem Mandir at sunset. And something super special, I experienced Radha makeup. And okay, it's not just about the look, it's about stepping into the spirit of Radharani, her grace, devotion, and pure love. Then we arrive at Prem Mandir, a temple that feels like it's straight out of heaven, especially when it lights up after sunset. हर मूर्ति, हर दीवार राधा कृष्ण की अमर प्रेम कथा सुनाती है. Contrary to what many people think, Prem Mandir isn't dedicated only to Radha Krishna. It also honors Sitaram. पहली मंजिल पर राधा कृष्ण की मूर्तियां हैं और दूसरी पर सीताराम की सुंदर प्रतिमाएं. The walls of the main temple are filled with beautiful carvings of Shri Krishna's Leela and scenes from the lives of Rasik saints. ये सिर्फ एक मंदिर नहीं, बल्कि संगमरमर में गढ़ी हुई एक आध्यात्मिक कथा है. Now, if you ever visit Vrindavan, तो बस फोटो खींचने तक सीमित ना रहे, वहाँ के भाव को महसूस कीजिए. तो चलिए अब वहाँ चलते हैं जहाँ जाने के लिए मैं कब से एक्साइटेड हूँ. प्रेम मंदिर के उस हिस्से की ओर जहाँ कान्हा की बाल लीलाएं जीवंत हो उठी है और राधा कृष्ण के प्रेम की पराकाष्ठा भी बसी है. प्रेम मंदिर में हर मूर्ति एक कहानी कहती है, कभी शरारत की, कभी भक्ति की और कभी अमर प्रेम की. यहाँ हर कोना बोलता है, प्रेम ही परम तत्व है. यह सिर्फ मंदिर नहीं, यह प्रेम की जीवंत झांकी है. जा रहे हैं हम वापस मथुरा. बहुत अच्छा रहा, बहुत मजा आया. Our final stop, Krishna Janambhoomi, the sacred place of Lord Krishna. Standing here gave me goosebumps just thinking about all the stories that started right here. Photography inside is restricted, but the feeling of being there, it's truly unforgettable. तो ये थी मेरी वृंदावन यात्रा, प्रेम, भक्ति और आध्यात्मिकता का एक अद्भुत संगम. I hope you felt a little bit of the magic too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
आज के लिए